Everybody talks about writing prompts. Almost nobody shows you how to turn one into a real, working plugin. Let's fix that in the next 2 minutes. Here's the honest truth. A browser extension is just a few small files. If you can describe what you want clearly, AI can help you write most of it. So here's your concrete first step. Open your AI assistant and give it this exact request. Build me a Chrome extension that adds a button to highlight every link on a page. Ask it for 3 files, a manifest, a pop-up, and a content script. Now copy those files into a new folder on your computer. The manifest is the heart of it. It tells the browser what your plugin does and which permissions it needs. Read it out loud. If a permission looks scary or unnecessary, delete it and ask the AI why it was there. That single habit will make you dangerous. Next, open Chrome and go to the extensions page. Flip on developer mode in the corner. Click Load Unpacked and select your folder. Boom! Your plugin is now live in your own browser. Click it. Watch every link light up. You just shipped software. When something breaks, and it will, copy the error message straight back into the AI and ask it to fix that exact line. That loop, build, break, fix, is the whole skill. Do it 10 times and you'll understand more than most people who only collect prompts. And yes, once you can ship small tools like this, people sometimes pay for them or hire you to build them. No promises, no overnight riches, just a real skill that occasionally turns into real money. Start with the link highlighter today. Then change one thing. Make it highlight images instead. If this helped, subscribe and go build something small.